We have not come here for a merrymaking. We have come because of the problem that the people of northern Uganda is facing. The Acholi, the West Nile, the Lang. Particularly today is the second press conference that we are having. We held one at Parliament on the 3rd of May when the Karuma Bridge was temporarily closed for 3 months. And we expected that after the 3 months, that was from May to August, Karuma Bridge would be functional. On that day, when we held the press conference, I said that let there be no conspiracy of silence. The slow movement into the completion of Karuma Bridge tells a bigger story. Our coming here today is not necessarily for the best, but we have come to choose between among the bad things, the bad option given to us. We have this road from Pakwach to Masison Falls to Masindi. It is the shortest distant road to Kampala. Among the options given to us, we have this road. We have the second route that passed from Apache through the ferry to Masindi Port, then the other route from the eastern side, which is the longest route. So when we have come here today to talk about this route, the Masison route to Masindi, it is not that we are happy. It is not that we like this route so much, but it is because we need it as an option, which is a bit of shorter route, shorter kilometers to Kampala. And the government, bit about that. If really the government of Uganda and His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, if they love the people of northern Uganda, they could not wait for us to come here. In fact, we could not be met by the heavy deployment that we have seen today. Massive deployment, trucks of soldiers, police. It is terrible, as if you are going for war. But we have come here as leaders, as members of parliament from the Greater North, to talk to the government that enough is enough. Listen to our people. We have no personal vendetta. But what we are asking for is that give us a fair treatment. A fair treatment. You have already closed the Karuma Bridge. The Karuma Bridge that was actually constructed in the year 1963, 1 year after independence. And any sane government in the world would not wait for all this period until we are now treating postmortem. They would have given us alternative bridge long time ago. And before the closure, they would have come with option in terms of compensation. Because right now, economically, the people of northern Uganda is losing a lot. Economically. Let me give you a few at the moment as an increment of 15,000 on transport fare. The people who were paying 40,000 before the Karuma Bridge was closed are currently paying 55,000. It means there is an increment of 15,000 on top of the bus fare. Now, if you to calculate well, a bus carry about 60 people. Now, 60 people in a bus, multiply by 15,000, the excess payment that has come because of the long route, you get about 900,000. That is one bus. Now, multiply how many buses leaves Acholi going to Kampala. Let me say 10 buses in a day. 10 buses multiplied by 900,000, that is 9 million. One bus. 10 buses. Now multiply 9 million times 30 days in a month. How much is that? Approximately 27 million for one region. Losing such kind of amount of money, about 270 million in a month per region. It is really uncalled for. We call upon the government to reconsider its decision